last tutorial we have seen the how to write our first test case and how to execute them with the help of options given here. Right click and then go to the TestNG and then TestNG test, and then we can execute it. Run as and then TestNG test, and then we can execute our test cases. This is the one of the way, but there is another way also, how to convert our project into the TestNG, and how to execute it with the help of TestNG.xml file. That way I am going to show. Right click on it here. Below this option you will get one of the option TestNG, and in this TestNG you will get the convert to TestNG, and click on it. And after that, after clicking it, click on next, and click on finish. And after that you can see here testng.xml file. It is auto generated file. It is auto generated file when we are doing the when we follow these steps. So after that, let us see here. Here few tags are given, and along with that this XML file is written. Here main point is here is that class name is given. Demo class name com.demo test1, com.demo test2. We have created these files here, these classes here, and we can see it here. Why this testng.xml file is important? The reason is, when we have executed it singly, at that time what was happening, we can execute only two test cases which are given in the test1 class. Note that we can only execute the test1 class test cases at the time when we are using this approach. At that right click and go to run as and testng test. So at that time we can only run the test cases which are given in the test1 class, and similarly we can execute the test cases in the test2 class as well with the similar approach. But when we are using the testng.xml file, at that time what we can do, at that time we can execute the test cases which are given in the both the classes, that is test1 class as well as test2 class. Let us see how we can do that. Here the suit is created. Inside suit, test thread count is equal to 5 is given, means we can execute the 5 test case parallelly 5 test cases at a time. And here name of that test is test. After that we have given the classes. Inside classes we have mentioned the class name, and test1 is given, test2 is there. Both are the name of the classes. We have already defined them. And now how you can execute it, let us see. We have right clicked on the file, that is testng.xml, and after that we go to the run as option, and in the run as option testng suit option is given. We will click on it, and after that it will execute. Now see here, 4 test cases are executed. 1 or 2 test cases were given in the test1.java, and 2 test cases were given into the test2.java. And here in the testng.xml we have mentioned both the classes. So four test cases were there, and 4 of them get executed. See here, db testing, db test, db1 testing, db3 testing, db4 testing, and all the 4 test cases get executed, and they are successfully passed also. So this is the approach. So this is the way how we can execute the test cases with the help of testng.xml, and why it is important. So thank you very much for watching this video.